Hello, myself Ashish Anand. My student ID is 33116016. My module name is Data Science Insight for Decision Making. Now I am going to present my PPT on risk management analysis of Infosys. So now coming to second slide, which is about table of content. And in second slide, I am going to show about table of content. In third, company overview. Fourth, risk management framework. Fifth, framework and benchmarking ISO 22301. Sixth slide, risk assessment matrix. Seventh, identify risk and challenges. Eighth, risk mitigation. Ninth, business continuity and critical assets. 10th, conclusion, and so on. So coming to the third slide, it's about the company overview. Infosys is an India-based IT services firm with revenues of 18.6 billion for the year of 2024, specializing in digital transformation solution. It has its operations in over more than 50 countries. So coming to the fourth slide, it's about the info risk management framework. So Infosys has a strong risk management program that focuses on risk identification, compliance with ISO 31000, and the use of three lines of defense approach. Coming to the fourth. Now coming to fifth slide, it's about the framework and benchmarking ISO 22301 in 2019. Infosys adopts ISO 22301 to strengthen its business continuity in management framework by benchmarking its strategies with global IT industry standards and conducting regular audits. Infosys ensures it remains resilient and compliant with best practices. This approach minimizes disruptions and enhances its ability to respond effectively to unexpected challenges. So now coming to sixth slide, it's about risk metrics. The risk assessment metrics in Infosys consider the impact of potential likelihood of the risk and highlights cybersecurity while tracing new threats. It's showing in a figure. So now coming to the seventh slide. It's about identified risk and challenges. So in this slide, key risk for Infosys include cybersecurity breaches with a high probability and severe impact on IT security, regulatory compliance challenges monitored by the legal team, and employee attrition impacting HR. Each risk is evaluated based on its likelihood and potential consequences. So let me tell about this chart. So in this, firstly we can view that risk, then probability, then impact, then risk measure, and then department. So coming to the cyber security breaches, its probability is high, impact is high, and risk measure is also very high. So coming to the next slide, it's about the risk mitigation. Risk mitigation. To manage these risks, there is a commitment to investment in cybersecurity, extended the risk awareness programs to employees, and avoidance of overdependence of certain departments by diversifying the client base. As we can see in this figure, there are six number of risk mitigation: expenditures on better cybersecurity products, employee training on risk awareness, expansion on operations of client base, routine audits, competitive analysis, financial planning, and so on. So coming to the ninth slide. So in this slide, we are going to discuss about business continuity and critical assets. This table captures important information required for the operations of Infosys such as type, description, RTO, specific staff required for the function. These can consist of real-time analysis for graphic display, customer records, database and application hosting servers. Beside it captures the data warehouse as the enterprise storage, the message queues for asynchronous processing, and data security tools for preserving data. Every asset is then put forward by a recovery specialist team to give a focused recovery. As we can say that we can see this chart. In this dashboard, type, description, RTO, and recovery staff is mentioned. So coming to the next slide, it's about conclusion. Infosys has done an effective job in its risk management framework by integrating both anticipative and innovative approaches to tackle risk factors in its industries. And we can see that 3 points. Infosys continues to unleash proactive measures, effective in innovation and security commitment. So now coming to the recommendations. The recommendations for the growth of Infosys would be to increase focus on the security front, to implement the measures related to legal issues and compliance, and to work more on talent retention. So it's a point says Infosys should improve the global compliance benchmarks, a strategic priority on talent management mechanisms. So here I'm going to show the references where the data is collected, and now I am going to end this slide. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.